Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the latest news and trends in the crypto world. Today, we're talking about a developing story that's got American Bitcoin miners reeling: the Trump administration's trade war with China. So, what's going on? It turns out that the US has imposed heavy tariffs on mining equipment coming from Asia, including China. And we're not just talking about a little pinch, we're talking 54% tariffs on Bitcoin mining machines. That's right, folks, the cost of doing business is skyrocketing. But here's the thing: China isn't taking it lying down. They've retaliated with an 84% tax on American products, which adds to the existing 20% tariff that's already been in place since Trump took office. And let me tell you, it's not just Chinese imports that are feeling the heat. Countries like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia are seeing their tariffs rise too. Now we know what you're thinking. How's this going to affect Bitcoin miners? Well, let me tell you. The price increase on mining equipment is already up by 22 to 36% for American miners. That's a lot of money, folks, and it's not just about the cost, it's also about profitability. With these tariffs, many companies are having to cancel their Chinese orders and try to resell them locally in Asia. But don't worry, there are some bright spots on the horizon. Whatsminer is actually planning to produce machines right here in the US, while Bitmain has announced plans to open a warehouse in the States this summer. And it seems like some Bitcoin miners are taking matters into their own hands. They're considering moving their operations abroad to avoid these taxes. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Bitcoin is going to tank no matter what. But here's the thing: the potential decline in American hash rate could actually have a positive impact on the profitability of existing miners. And let me tell you, that's good news for Bitcoin bulls. But don't get too excited just yet. There are some long-term risks to consider. If more and more miners start moving their operations abroad, it could pose a threat to the decentralization of the network. So, what's next? Well, we're watching this story closely as it develops. The future of Bitcoin mining in the US is undergoing some significant changes, and we'll be here to keep you updated every step of the way. That's all for today on the Bitcoin Bulletin. Stay tuned for more news and analysis from the world of crypto.